Yo, guys, today I want to share the real reason I'm able to stay consistent and profitable. It's not some flashy new strategy, not a magic indicator either. It's just 3 simple rules that I never break. Even on days when I feel like throwing the laptop out the window and winning it all back. I'll walk you through a full live session and show exactly how these rules play out in real trading. And trust me, the results at the end might surprise you. Let's get into it. Let's kick it off with a setup that explains this rule perfectly. Price is testing a resistance level. It already tried to break this zone a couple times, failed and pulled back. But then we get a clear double bottom pattern down below. Boom, strong uptrend kicks in. Look at the price action. Every time it touches the trend line, strong bounce. When it drifts away, movement slows. That's what a healthy trend looks like. I enter a trade expecting a breakout through resistance. Set expiration for 20 minutes just in case price pulls back before breaking. Rule number 1, I always stick with the trend. Doesn't matter what indicators say, doesn't matter what experts are yelling. The trend is my best friend. And here it is, clean win, even with a small pullback, just like I expected. New chart, same setup. Double bottom, nice uptrend forming. No strong resistance above, but MACD looks a little weird, so I keep the same expiration time. Price breaks the trend line and reverses. Trade ends in a loss. Does that mean trading with the trend doesn't work? Not at all. Trading is about probabilities, and my edge says trend following works around 70% of the time. I stay with the trend. Price starts forming a triangle. Volatility inside is dropping. I take another bounce entry from the trend line. I increase the expiration slightly. Triangle setups usually need more time. And again, trade goes against me. Another loss. Did you notice something? I didn't increase the trade size after the losses. Rule number 2, I follow my money management system. I only increase size after a win. After 3 wins in a row, I reset to the base amount. Full breakdown of that system is on the channel. Or hit me up on Telegram. I'll send you the full setup. 2 more losses. Most traders at this point would ditch the strategy, double their position, or start revenge trading. Big mistake. Losses are part of the game. I zoom out and remember my setups work 60 to 65% of the time. That means 4 losses out of 10 is normal. So I stick to the plan. No panic, no tilt. Now watch what happens when you stay patient. This setup looks almost like the previous ones, but this time I have stronger confirmations. Double bottom at support, massive wicks. Price gets pushed up hard from that zone. That's real buying pressure. I take an entry off the trend line and that same support zone.
I want to start trading, but I'm scared I'll lose money because I'm a total beginner and don't know what I'm doing. I hear this every day. So just reminding you, you can copy my trades for free right now. Just hop on a demo, test it, and see for yourself if it works or not. I trade on Pocket Option, and since I have a partnership with them, you can copy my trades for free as long as you're on Pocket. Instead of paying $150, I'll get a commission from the platform. And no, this won't make you rich overnight, but it gets you started. You'll see how it works, make your first profit, and then decide if you want to go deeper. I see new success stories in my DMs every day, so don't tell me it can't be done. Today it's easier than ever, and you've got the perfect chance to take that first step.
Price dips a bit at first, but buyers step in fast. Identical setup. Charts were super similar that day. I enter in the same direction. And now I increase my trade size. I'm not going to repeat myself or drag this out. By the 7th time, I'm sure you can see all the confirmations on this chart yourself. And boom, second win in a row. Still following the system. Trade size increased as planned, and I stick with the trend. Price breaks the day's low in a strong downtrend. I go short for 20 minutes. Trade closes in the green. We've now covered all the losses and made solid profit on top. But here's the key. I don't get greedy. Even though everything looks great, I reset my trade size back to normal. Most traders get overconfident here and go all in. That's how accounts blow up. Last chart of the day. I wait for a clean entry and take the trade in the trend direction. While it plays out, let's talk about rule number 4. I don't take more than 10 trades a day when I'm in profit. Doesn't matter if I'm up big or just slightly green. Green is green. 10 trades is my personal limit. Anything more risk, more emotions. This last trade felt a little shaky, and I'm glad it's the final one. Here are the day's results on screen. 635 profit, 10 trades total, 6 wins. What made the difference? First, trading with the trend. Second, sticking to strict money management. Third, having a daily limit. Want to see consistent results like this? Forget chasing new strategies. Find your rules and never break them. If you liked this kind of format, drop a comment and let me know. I've got more rules I use daily. Happy to break them down for you. Money management system plus my trades, all in my Telegram. Links in the description. Stay safe and be in touch.